best. I want to make the most of my time when I'm in my house during these days, but I don't know where to start. So, first of all, I think focusing on having a Muslim and Islamic atmosphere and environment in your house. Building that Islamic environment. How could you do that? The Messenger of Allah, he said, don't make your homes into graveyards. Meaning, don't stop the remembrance of Allah in your homes, such as praying. You know, the first thing you could do is offer the adhan in your homes. The Messenger of Allah, he said, no shaitan stays in a house where the adhan is recited. Reciting the adhan before the prayer. Praying in congregation. Praying in congregation with your families. Reciting Quran. Reciting Surah Al-Baqarah. The Messenger of Allah, he said, shaitan flees from those houses in which Surah Baqarah is recited. So reciting Quran. Also, you know, there's so many things, there's so many shortcomings that we have in terms of our knowledge about Islam. So the blessing of the internet is something which we can utilize now. Different websites, you know, YouTube videos, series on different topics and different subjects and different Islamic content which is out there. A person can, you know, learn about the life of the Prophet ﷺ. He can learn about hadith, he can learn about tawheed and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So many things he can learn, so many ways you can access that information today online via YouTube videos or other websites that teach about Islam. So really there isn't really any excuse for a person to not be learning about Islam and making the most of his time and benefiting himself while he's at home.